think you should.
Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Fire Trader from firetrading.org, and I just want to go over our notes with you guys today. Our notes from this morning, our pre-market notes, and some of the trades that we took, and just kind of explain the news behind some of these. So we'll just start off here. First one on our list was VIPs. VIPs actually didn't work out quite the way I wanted to. We got a little bit lower. When I was reading the earnings weren't all that bad. They weren't great, but they weren't bad. They didn't really justify the gap down that we're getting on VIPs. The problem was the downside guidance that they provided, and that's kind of why we were getting that sell-off pre-market. And I was expecting a little bit more of a pull, but the way VIPs was setting up was it could have gone either way, basically. If we got the pop out of the open, we could have been looking for the short. If we got the pull, we're looking for the long. And that's kind of the direction that we took it. We took it for the long. And we got a quick little pop off of it. I was looking for this pull down here to 19 and go long. I'll show you guys here. We got a little bit out of it. I took this one this morning. We ended up getting stopped out the rest. But basically, it was just this little bit right here. Just this little pop, we came down to this 19 right here, and we started bouncing off of it. Once we saw it come down here, put this little double bottom in right here at 1880. This is where we grabbed it right here, right as it broke through 19. We took it on up almost 20, taking off pieces along the way, and eventually just kind of rolled over. And once we saw it sitting down here, just consolidating on top of 19, we decided just to take it off, be done with it. It's getting a little low volume consolidation on top of this 19 area. So that was kind of an indication that we were going to go lower on it. So we took it off. We didn't short it. We just called it good with that trade. So we got a nice little point bounce off of it. And it did eventually, come down to a little bit lower. And we got a little bit of a grind up. But I was expecting a lot more out of this one today. I was. Guild. Guild was a good trade this morning. It was a long today. So the Guild was gapping down because the FDA gave him a CRL. And the FDA was requesting more information. That's not necessarily negative for the company. Right? All they have to do is provide the FDA more information, and then they can go right back to where they were, right? They're saying we're putting a pause here because we need more information. That's all they're saying. Once Guild provides them that information, bam, boom, we're good, okay? So it's not necessarily a bad thing. So I was looking, right here, bullish. If this starts to get bought up out of the open, grab it long for a quick pop to 68. Okay, if we get the yank, look for 65. Either way, it's a long. Look at it here. Bam, right there. Started getting bought up right out of the open. Took it on up, 68, 67.50. And done with it from there. Yeah, it was just got bought up. Yeah, it was a beautiful trade right off the bat. I didn't trade this one. I know quite a few traders in the chat room did though. Took it on up for a couple points. Yeah, nice trade. Oracle is gapping up because Trump supports their decision of talking about buying TikTok. Just because a company talks about buying something doesn't give the company more value. So there's no reason for the stock to be gapping up because they're in talks of buying TikTok. So it's just a short. I said if this does pull to 55, then we can start watching the long. Otherwise, let it pop to 67.50 to 67. 56.50 or 57 and top it off and short it. And that's exactly how we played this one today. We never got that pull down towards 55, so we just let this thing rip. Let it get up, let it go, let it get bought up. Took it on up here. Nice little double top, 60, 56, 80. Topped it off, shorted it. Got a nice, 80 cents out of it. But yeah, it was a nice trade. Nice afternoon, kind of fade off on it. Nice and easy. Earnings beat. They actually had some pretty good numbers. And they were gapping down 4 points. The problem with A was it was so bought into leading into earnings. Everybody was expecting this earnings beat. So, it was just profit taking. So I told everyone basically if this thing starts getting bought up, grab it long for a quick pop to 97 plus, then top it off and be done with it. And that's exactly how we played it. You know, a lot of people in the chat room nailed this one this morning. It was a beautiful trade. Right there, opened up, got bought up, 95 to 99, and done with it. Just choppy after that. But beautiful trade. Disney. Disney was just kind of a technical breakout, along with, you know, they got this nice upgrade this morning from Citi, but that's kind of not the reason why I had this one on the watch list. It was mostly due to their technical pattern, their daily technical pattern, but ended up just fading off today. I was expecting a little bit more out of that one. Target was a beautiful trade. Blowout earnings, beautiful numbers. Basically, if you get a stock that has numbers like these, it's gonna run. Okay. So I was looking for a quick pull out of the open to 45, watch for bottoming, and grab it long for a nice all-day move to the upside. And we didn't quite get 45. We got, I believe it was 46.50. But once we started seeing the bottoming on it, we got it. We just grabbed it long. Yeah, 146.50. See this bottoming? I mean, this is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. And then it just ran. And it ran up to our 155 target. Damn. Actually, almost. Hit 154.50. Anyways. GLPG. This one was another beautiful trade this morning. GLPG was gapping down because of Guild. This stock was gapping down from $190 down to $130 because Guild got a CRL letter. That is a buying opportunity. That's a buying opportunity. Right there. This is a buying opportunity. If this starts to get bought up out of the open, grab it long. If this pulls, wait for it to bottom out, grab it long. This is a long. GLPG. Started getting bought up. Actually got a little bit of a pull. But once it started getting bought up, broke over this high right here at 138. Bam. It was gone. 138, 144. And then it just kind of grinded out for the rest of the day. I was actually expecting this one to make a little bit more of a move up too. I was kind of looking for 150 on it today. 150 plus. But, you know, we got 145. It was a good trade. Nice trade. Anyways, those were kind of our notes for today. Some of the trades that we took. So if you guys want to trade with us tomorrow, more than happy to have you. You guys can try us out free for a day. 50 for a week, or 129 for a month, or, you know, we got our swing trading chat room, which we have been on fire lately, for 159 a month. And yeah, every day we've got these notes posted 30 to 45 minutes before the market opens, so gives you guys time to study and kind of plot your technicals and everything. And, you know, I'm on live screen share and mic for the first couple hours of the day, and then the last couple hours of the day. And, you know, every day we do a live recorded webinar. You guys can ask me questions. I go over these notes. I go over the news. I go over, you know, different stuff you guys want me to go over. I go over like my intraday technicals and everything like that. And they're all recorded and archived for all the monthly members to watch at any time. Anyways, thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.